So finally got this hair where we need it, honey. And we gotta go ahead and make it happen. You know what I'm saying? We ain't even about to play no games no more. I had to take a break, y'all. My bad. I had to. We finna finish the cut. We gonna finish it. We gonna get her right. You know. We get her right. Pull her at a 45 real quick. Finish it. We're not going out with a bang. We go out with a bang. We gonna finish it. Then I can tie her down. I don't want to take too much off right here because this is my bang. I don't want to do that. I'm back, y'all. I'm back. I got distracted for a second. I had to go handle some business. You know. That one call, that's all. I'm joking, but no, for real. I got distracted. I had to do something. These shears good and all, but they cause some annies. See how loose they is? The tension of these don't stay forever. They're so loose. I need to find some of those Japanese shears. See, look, now it's not tight no more. When I get to cutting, they get loose like this and they fly. Look at that. I gotta tighten it up, so I have to keep it tightened so they don't move. That's how you cut your finger too. When your tension is cut off when your tension is open wide like that, it makes your shears stay open and you risk cutting your finger. So you always want to make sure your tension is, you know, turned up a notch. So anytime you cutting, when you slide like when you get pro with them subs, baby, you want to be like this. Pull that thing out. Hold on, because I did something. I need a pinky tang. You're really supposed to use your pinky, but I don't like using my pinky. I don't like using my pinky. I cut better with my ring finger. My hands are short as fuck. Then we're gonna point cut. Point cut. Oh, it's too tight. It's making my hand hurt. Point cut that thing. Point cut it. That's how you get the bulk out real quick. Yeah. Bam. And then she just fall. So any bald-headed girls out there, you can cut your hair by yourself. You don't always gotta pay somebody. You know what I'm saying? Get you one of these. You don't know how to use the. I know how to use the clippers, but I like these better because I don't got time to be. I don't got time for that. I really don't. I don't got time for that. Just give me one of these. I can shave it down real good. And you know how to use these real good. You can get that back taper. You can get the side tight and taper. And you can thin out the top part with this side of them. The short side is for really taking the bulk off. The long side is for thinning, like thin shears. Okay, honey buns. So now we got her down. We got her cut low. We got her at a 90 degrees. So when I pull these out, you can see everything falls at a 90, even when I pull it at a 45 like that. See what I'm saying? We go 90, 90, 45. And then we go 45 all the way into the bang with 0 degrees. Now I'm finna throw it back. I'm playing. I'm finna turn around. And I can still see y'all. So don't be talking behind my back. Cause I got eyes behind I got eyes behind my head. I just wanna let y'all know that. Don't talk behind my back. Cause I can see you. You think I don't see you. I see you. I see you. I'm sorry, I don't eat you. I gotta count the corner real quick. So I can see you a little bit better with my mirror. So we got a 45 going right here. 45. I mean 90, sorry, 90 degrees. 90 degree haircut all over. That means the haircut is the same length all over. No matter which way I pull it out, it's going to continue to be a 90 degree. See how I pulled it up? And now you see it's 90. You see no extra hair, no none of that. Okay, okay, pumpkins. We finna finish this cut. We gonna finish curling this stuff. Hold on, y'all, because I need some, this curling wax ain't no joke. This curling wax really will dry the shit out of your hair, and I need to, hold on, I got back up. Hold on. I got curling wax on it and some, I just put this milk and honey stuff on it because it just helped curl it better. But the curling wax is drying my hair out like badly, and it's like it's curling and all. But I can't comb through this shit. Look, now I can comb through it. You see the shine is back in the damn hair. So if you're using curling wax or a heat protecting wax stick, put some damn oil on that shit. Please do. Okay, honey buns? Put some oil on that thing because it be dry. Like Cutter P say, that thing be dry. You don't want to burn it up. Now we getting somewhere with these curls. Oh my God, y'all, this is gonna be so freaking pretty. No, I should go the other way. Hold on. I'm getting there. How was she flat? That'll be all right with me. Not too much body. I'll take that thing down. Well, maybe that'll work. I don't know. Not too bad though. I like this little peanut back here. She cute for whatever. She cute. done got hungry doing this shit. I'm ready to get it done so I can tie it down. Get somewhere, y'all. Get somewhere. I done got quiet because I done got focus. I ain't talking shit no more. That's the wall. Bitch is hot.